Welcome back. It seems that we, as predicted, have install issues. Taking a look, I'm going to bet Cloud Controller. Let's get down to the bottom. And this time it was the NFS server that I didn't like. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and get started with the repair. Taking a look at the next steps in our instructions, we need to go to our var tempest workspace default deployments and take a look at the manifests that are there. So let's go ahead and hop on. So we're going to go var tempest workspace default deployments. Now, when you run an apply change on all tiles, it'll compile the manifest for each tile. We're going to be specifically taking a look at this manifest, the CF deployment manifest. This manifest is currently in a read-only state. So let's go ahead and run a sudo chmod. This allows us now to read as a non-root user, but also to execute this in one of our commands. So let's go ahead and go to the next section, which is we need to run this command, bosh-d, the deployment name, deploy the deployment manifest -- fix. When we're running our actual apply change, you'll actually see that command similarly here. The bosh command, we'll run it as non-interactive later on. I want you to see why this is in play. -e environment name, -d deployment name, the deploy command, the supplied manifest in the directory we currently are, and the -- recreate. When we check that recreate all VMs checkbox, it adds this -- recreate flag. We're going to take this a step further and go -- fix, as it not only recreates all VMs, it'll do so with ones that are in an unresponsive agent state. So if we were to take a look at our deployments, we need our, give me just a moment here. I thought I had set it off to the side somewhere. I did not. I need to grab. I thought I already had it on here. Let's go ahead. We need our bosh director credentials to be able to take a look at our deployments. So the director credentials are in ops tile, credentials, command line credentials. We grab everything in between the two, head back, export. Actually, there we go. We get our deployment name. We don't need the append. There we go. Take a look at all of our VMs, and they should be in an unresponsive agent state. It's going to take 2 seconds to come back on us. Right? 1 1000, 2 1000, 2 1000, 1 1000. I apologize. Sometimes it does take a second for this to appear. Okay, there we go. Unresponsive agent state. If you were to run just -- recreate at this moment, it tries to get the current state of the VM before it actually does the recreate aspect. Unfortunately, as we're now in unresponsive agent state, we need to run the deploy -- fix. So we have our command. We do deploy. We drop in the CF YAML, and then we add -- fix. Now, this will take just a second to run through all of the compilations. Then we'll provide a little checkbox that says proceed, yes or no. This allows us to review the manifest for what changes are being submitted prior to the actual run of deploy. But as we know what's going on, I'm going to go ahead and kick this off, and I'll take a moment to show you this in the next section. And future commands, I'll add the -- non-interactive. But we'll go ahead and fire this off. Oh, see, there we go. We do see the different certificates that it is currently working on doing. So let's go ahead and click yes. And it'll go through now each of the VMs till it gets to the MySQL cluster, where it will fail as the MySQL cluster will need to talk to each other. We'll discuss that more in just a moment. I'm going to pause this video. We'll be back momentarily.